In this video, you are going to be learning how to create a maze game, a little bit like Pac-Man. To start off with, we're going to be focusing on the basics of opening up a new application, inserting an active object, and making that into the sort of the background, like the pathway that the player has to get through in order to get onto the next level. Hopefully you've got Clickteam Fusion open by now, so let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is to create a new application. This is going to be where the entirety of your level is going to be set, so it's pretty important. You're going to click on the white box. This is your frame where your level will be set, and then you're going to go to View menu and then Show Grid if you can't already see it. Then go back to View menu and then click on Snap to Grid. This will make your life a lot easier. Next, go to Insert and then New Object. You're going to insert an active object, that's the one with the little running man, so click on that and then press OK. You insert it by clicking anywhere onto that white box, and then once the diamond appears you right click and then go to Edit. We don't want it to look like a diamond, so for now we're just going to have it as a plain kind of coloured box, so take the eraser tool, rub it out, select the paint bucket tool, and then just choose a random plain colour. We're going to go back to making it look pretty in a bit, so don't worry. And then press OK once you're happy with it. Click and drag it up to the left hand corner and then right click. And then go to Duplicate. In rows you want to type in 15, and then in columns you want to type in 20, and then press OK. Next we're going to delete the squares that we don't want so that the player can actually get through. So you're going to select one and you can delete it by right clicking on it, or you can press delete on your keyboard. It's probably a bit of a quicker way. Or an even quicker way is by selecting all of the ones that you want. I wouldn't suggest doing this all in one go for the entire maze because something might mess up and you'll have to start over. But if you press shift on your keyboard and then select chunks at a time, you can then later delete them in kind of one group. Once you're done, you can right click and then you can press delete, or you can press the delete button. Now let's make them look pretty. So right click again and go back to the edit screen. Now you can kind of use it in the same way that we've created our characters before. So you can use the brush tool, you can choose a colour, and then you can design it however you want. Okay, hopefully it's going to have something to do with your game. But the cool thing about this is that it won't only just affect that one particular square, but because they're all linked, because you duplicated them, it will affect every single one. Alright, so that's something to bear in mind. So that's it for just this beginning part. The next part will be making sure that the player can't actually go through any of these blocks and they actually act as walls. So once you're ready, you can go on to the next video. Thank you for watching.